Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies. It's a collection that's available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. She made them available for everyone to use as long as they're not sold, and I'm making video tutorials about how to play those songs. This is the Ballad of Mary Hamilton. It's on page 10 of her book. It's a Scottish song. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I will demonstrate it on low G GCA ukulele. This song can be played on high G. It does work, but it was originally written for low G. Then I'll do a tutorial for low G ukulele, and then I'll demonstrate it on high G GCA ukulele, and then I'll demonstrate it also on baritone, because you could play it on baritone as well, as long as you're not worrying about what the actual printed notes are and are reading the tablature. If you want to support this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, you can go again to ukestuff.info. You can go to music, look at my tabs. I've got more than 40 chord melodies there. There are links to Tony Crimless work as well. There are links to the website of Spencer Gay, Uke Education, all free, as well as a link to the works by late ukulele Mike Lynch, who did amazing work during his lifetime, although that is paid on his website. I also have 2 books of chord melodies for sale if you're interested. They're a book of hymns and a book of carols. You can find those on the Buy Me a Coffee page. You can find them on Apple Books. You can find them on Amazon Kindle and in print directly from Amazon. All right, so what is chord melody? Chord melody is a way to play the melody and the harmony all at the same time, rhythm too, ultimately, to make your ukulele do all of the singing. It's still pretty basic. So especially with the way that Elizabeth writes, she writes very accessible chord melodies, and they're meant to be played with your thumb. You're either playing a full chord, part of chord, or a single note, and it's all playable generally with your thumb. You're going to be reading tablature. In the case of Elizabeth's arrangements, she gives you written notation for the melody if you'd want to play it, for example, on a non-transposing instrument. Other people like myself, I will show you all the notes that you're playing in the chord melody, but that's what she does. But there are 4 lines of tab underneath that are showing what you're doing with the chord melody. Those are, from the top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's string. String 1, string 2, string 3, string 4. The problem is when we look at our ukuleles, the string closest to us is the 4th string. So it is sort of like looking at your ukulele that way. The numbers tell you what fret to push down. If there's a 0, you play an open string. If there's no number, you don't play that string. And that's how chord melody works, and it's a great next step because it can also translate to future playing of other styles of music on the ukulele, harder tablature that isn't played with just your thumb, and also prepares you for some other future techniques like hammer-on, pull-offs, slides, and so forth. All right, so let's begin with a demonstration of the song. This is the Ballad of Mary Hamilton. Missed that. All right, let's begin with a tutorial on low G GCA ukulele. You're going to start with the 3rd string open, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string 2nd fret, strings 4 and 3 open. 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, F chord. Ring finger goes down on the 2nd string 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string open. We're on measure, really a 3rd full measure. You won't count the 1st measure. Strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Ring finger goes down on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 1st fret. 2nd string open. 2nd finger goes down on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string twice. Strings 4 and 3 again. Second string, third fret, twice quickly. C chord. Repeat the first string. Full G chord. Repeat the first string. Open first string. Ring finger goes down to the second string, third fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, open. Now, second finger goes to the fourth string, second fret. Play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string. Third string, second fret. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, first fret. Second string, open. Second finger goes down to the third string, second fret. Play strings 4 and 3. Second string, open. Third string, second fret, because you were right there. Then strings 4 and 3, open. Repeat that. Now, repeat the third string. Now we're on measure 9, strings 4, 3, and 2, open. Third string, second fret, strings 4 and 3, open. Second string, open. Second string, third fret, F chord. Ring finger goes down to the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Third string, open. Lift up the ring finger, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, first fret, second string, open. Second finger goes to the third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string twice. Strings 4 and 3 again. Second string, third fret twice, fast. C chord. Repeat the first string, G chord. Repeat the first string open. Ring finger goes down on the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, but open. Now, fourth string, second finger goes to the fourth string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, second fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, first fret, second string, open. Second finger goes down to the third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Second string, open. Second string, third fret, C chord, strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string twice, strings 4 and 3. And that's the Ballad of Mary Hamilton on low G, G, C ukulele. Let's demonstrate it on high G, G, C ukulele because it will work. And let's play it on baritone tuning as well. I hope you've enjoyed hearing and learning how to play the Ballad of Mary Hamilton as a part of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies that again are available for free on my website at ukestuff.info. Thanks so much for joining for the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.